Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and iOS are compatible. Quick check in Settings General About. Once done, make sure you have Wi-Fi or cellular service and at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions while updating settings. Now open Settings, tap Phone, and look for the voicemail section. You take these steps because voicemail voice features depend on network and system support, so preparing now avoids mid-process failures and lets you change the voice smoothly. Next, tap Voicemail and open Greetings to manage what callers hear. You can pick Default or tap Custom and then record to speak your message. Press Stop and save when finished. Make sure you speak clearly and monitor background noise because the recording quality directly affects how the voicemail voice sounds to callers. If you prefer a different tone or pace, retake the greeting. This matters since the greeting sets the first impression and some carriers use it to set voice prompts. Finally, verify the change by calling your own number or opening visual voicemail to listen to the saved greeting. If the new voice doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and check carrier voicemail settings. Some carriers control greeting behavior. If problems persist, reset network settings as a troubleshooting step, but make sure you back up Wi-Fi passwords and VPN info first. Doing these final checks ensures the voice you chose is active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.